week 2, we moved in Friday. On Monday, we were supposed to have the internet installed, and no internet. So there's a problem with the line here in the unit, and we're on a high floor in the building, so we have to have engineering come in and check out the line. So no internet makes it really rough. Yeah.
So without internet, what do? Well, you do some household chores, and you learn some new card games.
Look. Jazz get absolutely wrecked in speed.
No. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah?
So we got most of our furniture delivered, and a full house tour is coming pretty soon once we get the house semi in order. Homeschooling means there's a lot of free time between days where they have to work, so we're looking for books for the kids today. Supermarket shopping to keep us on budget. Let's go. Generally, the foods here are cheaper, probably half the price, if not less, than what we see back home.
Look, it's only 14 pesos.
Ooh, 14?
Ooh. Add to the cart.
Add it to the cart.
Bango. Bonus bangos. Super hot and spicy bonus bangos.
Super hot spicy. Super hot spicy. Bonus bangos.
What kind of bangos is that? Then.
You want the whole freezer?
Yes.
What time is it, Jody?
Bangos.
Why do you make that face? So one of the cool things about living here in BGC is right across the street from our condo, there's a ton of restaurants right next to each other. Behind me, well, you got a Coffee Bean over there, you got Korean barbecue, you got another barbecue place right next to it. Tonight we're doing Mexican, there's a steak place right next to that, and then they have a Mediterranean restaurant with shawarma right next to that. Eden. Was that good, baby? So we just had Korean barbecue for a party of 5. It's about $50. Not bad. That's cool.
Yeah. Today we're trying mango yakult at Oachi. Let's try it. Has a taste of mango in it, fresh mango. Also has that flavor of yakult.
It's good.
It's amazing.
Choo choo! Wait, that's a boat. Oh my gosh, look at that. Choo choo!
That's a boat.
My gosh, you got so much food. Yes. got this little cart so that we don't have to carry the groceries home. The grocery store is about 2 blocks from our place, so very, very convenient. So the building in the Philippines in general feels very secure. There's security guards everywhere. This building alone, there's security outside, there's security at the front desk, and you need to tap an RFID to get to your floor. So it's very secure. Okay guys, this barbecue sauce right here, Mamacita's barbecue marinade. Oh man, that is the business. You get some calamansi and you marinate it overnight. Perfecto.
You two are in this end.
Ooh, dinner at home. We hired a language tutor to teach us how to speak Tagalog.
This one, for example, this one. Ba. We will add
The cool part about condo living is you get everything packed in one. We got a cool rec area with a nice pool and a ping pong table. We've been playing ping pong pretty much every day. Great exercise, and the kids love it. Jordan. An important part of this trip is also improving ourselves. So we here Friday night, trying to get that sweat in. Let's go. Peace. Plant shopping. In order to feel like home, what if you got a house plant? Show them. And week 2 is a wrap. We're starting to get a feeling of our neighborhood, but there's still so much to see. Leave us a comment down below on other things we need to check out while we're in Manila. We're also looking forward to our first trip to the province. Thanks for coming along this journey with us. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button. And always remember, we're here to collect moments, not things.